Brian from Bambike here. We're in our Makati workshop and I got a new toy. It's a monopod mount for the GoPro MAX 360 camera, and it telescopes out and attaches onto the bikes with a little ball mount. So it's the first time I've had a ball mount system like this, but it feels pretty sturdy. I got to test it on the motorcycle once, but this time we're putting it on the electric Bambike. We're gonna take you on a tour around Intramuros and yeah, see what kind of time lapse and different fun shots we can get positioning the bike, the camera behind the bike here. So let's check it out. All right, so I mounted the ball side here under the seat post, onto the seat post rather, and now all we got to do is crank it on. These have managed to do pretty well, I think. Well, let's see. It should be easier here on pavement. When I was on the motorcycle, I was using you know, a real bumpy road, and it still ended up okay. So we're gonna get a perspective of riding through Manila traffic, and let's see how it goes. So here's the setup. The kit came with a little mini wrench here, which allows you to put this on there pretty securely. I think it's on pretty good, and you can see we've got now this mount. I had to get a separate GoPro adapter mount to fit on the standard 1/4-inch screw, but now all we got to do is put this GoPro, which we're filming on now, onto this mount, and the stabilization on camera should hopefully make it all work, but we'll see. Let's take a look. All right, so we got the GoPro in 360 mode. We can hear the ice cream man, if that's ice cream, coming in. But we're gonna get this set up and put it into time warp mode and get going over to Intramuros. So here's what the setup looks like. We've got it on our electric Bambike, and I'm gonna do the phone mount here so I can just control it, but I'm not gonna do much. We're just gonna put it into time warp mode and let it go. Do it at 15 times speed. So Google says it would take us 28 minutes by car to get there. All right, so we made it to Intramuros in just about 18 or 19 minutes. So we definitely beat, you know, the traffic. And now I've swung the mount around to the front. I didn't realize I would be able to angle it like this, but now, yeah, I think we'll get a cool perspective. We'll see how this comes out when I reframe it on the app. It's all about. So the GoPro had a little technical difficulty earlier. I'm not sure what happened. it stopped recording properly and the video froze and it was kind of glitching. So I'm gonna give it another shot. I just came here to Batalo Bar and had a nice panini sandwich, and here you can see a cool vehicle. It's the Tranvia in Intramuros. We're located right here across the San Agustin Church. But I'm done here. I'm gonna head out and give the new angle of the GoPro with this mount another try. So let's see how it goes. So we had some technical difficulties earlier, but we're gonna try to go around. We're inside Plaza San Luis complex and we're gonna explore a bit more of Intramuros. So let's go. All right, so I had the same problem and I figured out the GoPro was pretty low battery. So that's why it was freezing and then not really doing it properly. So all in all, I mean, it was a good test ride. I think the mount is great. The shots that you can get are pretty cool, though we've got to do this again and I'll make another video when everything is fully charged and I know more what I'm doing. So thank you for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe. All right. Anyway, thank you and take it easy. See you in the next one.